Hello and welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedren. Skip Marley and the late Toots Hibbert are favorites to watch for this year's Grammy Awards. The nominations revealed yesterday saw the two amongst a stellar lineup of Jamaican acts, including Buju Banton, Maxi Priest and the Wailers, who secured the nominations for Best Reggae Album. However, Skip Marley is already the favorite to win the 2021 Grammy. Grandson of Bob Marley, Skip's debut EP Higher Place has had great success since its released in August. It contains the Billboard chart a slowdown with US singer Her, which is also nominated for Best R&B Song, and a crossover hit Make Me Feel, a collaboration with the rapper Rick Ross and singer Ari Lennox. It also includes a track with his uncle Damian Marley and the title track which features his granddad. Higher Place was produced by the Marley-owned Tough Gong International and Island Records, and according to industry critics, Higher Place's biggest rival for the Grammy may be Toots and the Maytals Got to Be Tough, which was released in August, just weeks before Toots' death. The album was produced by Trojan Jamaica and BMG. Toots won the Best Reggae Album back in 2005 for True Love and Hall of Fame in 2008. Not to be ignored, though, is Upside Down 2020 by Buju Banton, released back in June by Gargama Music and Rock Nation. Upside Down 2020 debuted at number 2 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart and sees collaborations with Stefflon Don, Stephen Marley, John Legend, and Pharrell. Now, Buju Banton, who won the 2011 Grammy with Before the Dawn, holds the total of 4 career nods. Now, Maxi Priest got a nod with It All Comes Back to Love, making it his first Grammy nod in 2 decades. And rounding out the list is The Wailers with One World, released in September last year by S-Curve Records. Now, dancehall fans, however, were left disappointed not to see their highly celebrated albums making the list. Popcorn's EP Fixate by Drake's OVO label, or Vybz Kartel's of Dons and Divas, both chart toppers. Now, coming off their AMA's high, Taylor Swift and Dua Lipa joins Beyoncé with the most nominations for the 2021 Grammy Awards. Beyoncé leads the field with 9 nominations, including 4 for Black Parade, a protest anthem released over the summer during the Black Lives Matter protest. Beyoncé continues to widen the gap as Grammy's most nominated female artist ever, as she now has 79 nominations, tying with Sir Paul McCartney for the second most nominations of all time. Swift, with 6 nods, could win Album of the Year for a record-breaking 3rd time with her lockdown album Folklore. Dua Lipa also picked up 6 nominations for her disco-infused Future Nostalgia. And notably, Billie Eilish, the 18-year-old who made history at last Grammys by becoming the first female artist to win all 4 of the Grammys' main categories, picked up multiple nominations for Everything I Wanted, including Record of the Year and Song of the Year. The 63rd Grammy Awards, which features 83 categories, will air in late January. Who will win? That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedren. Thank you for watching.